as the government is firmly committed to developing the Eastern Economic Corridor (EEC) on a long-term and sustainable basis. It has been continuing to draw up investment privileges, issue regulations, and increase manpower to support the corridor's growth. In responding to the government policy to expand higher educational opportunities for young people in the region, King Mongkut University of Technology has established its campus in Rayong province, which is always referred to as an industrial hub of Thailand. How KMUTNB Rayong Campus will produce skilled workforce to support the development of the Eastern Economic Corridor (EEC). So we have moved on to the energy, science, energy, and environment faculties.
Yeah.
So
I would like to introduce the Dean, Dr. Sabaitip.
We have a very young Dean here, young looking anyway.
Thank you.
Yes. So what did you take us?
Yeah, actually now we are in the Faculty of Science, Energy and Environment, which is the this faculty provide the basic knowledge in science, energy and environment, which is serve EEC program as well.
Yes. So we have to see how it is like.
Yeah.
How it's going to serve like energy, how it is like, and so.
Right. Okay.
Take
so
us around.
yes, we move to the museum that we gather on the project that we we have in the past 2 years, and then we correct everything about the energy and environment project. So let's move to the third floor.
Here we are at the museum. So,
right. These museums, we had an idea that we would like to correct all the things that we finished with the project.
Do you mean garbage?
Yes, everything.
Everything.
Involve energy and about the environment. For example, 2 months ago, we had the projects involved about the zero waste today, and we want to have the green campus tomorrow. So all the people around here and the students have to involve in this project. So this is we just start the project and want to continue to make it sustainable projects for the community here.
If we talk about EEC, so the companies that they are here, so they definitely have waste.
Yes.
Maybe what you call the chemical waste, not only the normal. So it can be. I mean, our student can go to help or to do what?
Actually, we have the MOU with the organization that involve the how can I say, the rubbish management as well, and I mean for the industrial, actually they have the good management already. But the thing that we are here, we just want to give the knowledge to people in the community to separate the rubbish and make the society you know.
First, you have to separate the garbage rubbish first, and then to do what?
Separate, and then we have the good management. Have to for example, we have the organic rubbish, garbage. For example, that one we can make a value added. For example, we can make it like a fermentization. Yes, and sometimes the garbage that we cannot use, we just burn it without the exhaust, the exhaust, smoke, and other recycling. Recycling, we can separate that one and recycle in the future. We can make the plastic, but use in the other purpose, for example.
So, Madam Dean, so how do we? So we separate it?
Yes.
And where is the machine?
Actually, we had also KMUTNB have the project. We have the
right here.
yes,
So I see.
We have like the burner. We have the things that the process that we decompose it, and we can make biogas with organic compounds as well. So this is just that project, and this project it continue in the like a few years. So maybe next time when you come again, you can see the progress.
At least this is the fundamental knowledge for students how to keep zero in the around the campus area.
Yes, we want to be like green campus.
Yeah, and then this is the fruits, and this can be grown somewhere. It's a seed of what you call seeds of cleanliness, seed of prosperity.
Yeah.
That afterward, the student can what you call to draw people.
Yes.
To not to throw things or how to get
very important, like to educate like a
Thailand
student.
has a problem.
Yes.
We do have a problem.
Big
of that.
problem. Yes. This is the machine that we just to compress all the like plastic bags or plastic bottle and to make it small area. Like you have the things here and then you just squeeze it. It's very because it has to mechanic this. Yes, and squeeze like this, this like that, and then this one make the volume less volume. For example,
so that easily the container can receive more.
Yes.
Receive more.
Another thing is like a solid contact reactor. This one is for the environment project. For example, if we have like the water that is contaminated and we have a lot of particles that we would like to how can I say, precipitate it. We have to use all these reactor, and this one can like make the solid stuff go down like this. This is like the model for the solar cell. We have our lecturer and a researcher that focus on the things that about the alternative energy. As we know, Thailand a lot of solar, so we would like to produce something.
Can I touch it?
Yes, of course. Yes.
What's this?
This is like
the skin of the fruits.
Yeah, like for the flower, they have the color, and this color we can extract this color and then coat it.
Really?
Yes, and to make like dye synthesize. Yes.
I see.
This is like natural product
We
extraction.
don't even know that. We don't even know that because there are some kind of the fruits can be used. After extraction can be used with some chemical things.
Before like that one is already finished instant solar cell, but before that we have to like to do the research to find the alternative method to like to produce the solar cell. For example, that one is fuel cells.
What?
You know fuel cell?
No.
Fuel cells is another alternative energy that is like the raw material is maybe we can make from water that is like decomposed to hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen and hydrogen is the reactant that can produce energy too. Like in the near future, maybe we can have the car that we put the fuel cell in the back of the car and we can use the convert to electric car, for example.
Electric cars now they're introducing some of the country starting using electric totally.
Yeah.
Electric.
This is a support for the future. Innovation in the field of energy. Yes.
And these are the students also have to learn all this.
Yes. When we have the projects, our students have to help us to run the project too. And after finish, they just set up here. And when sometime when like we do the academic service for the student in Mathayom too, like ask them to come to museum, and then they just learn science by touching. Not just only in the paper, so they can the real things. They can imagine.
Interesting.
Really important for the science technology because they have to have the idea and to have to imagine, and they can creating something.
Manually, they can do it manually too.
Yes.
Very good. It's a good, real great opportunity for the Thai students.
Yes.
To be able to learn here.
Getting better and better.
Better, yes, yes.
This is the real solar cell. This we for photovoltaic cells.
This is the one that we see there.
Yes,
down,
that
down,
one
down
is
there.
solar farm.
Solar farm, yes.
If we connect many solar cells, it becomes solar farm. Okay, so this one is just
You
one
can
to
you can do it to the level of that or not?
Actually,
Not now.
not now. For the laboratory, we just do like, for example, like small things. And for the electrical engineer, they can like connect and then can inverse and convert them to produce the electricity. But for the big one, of course, we have to go for the manufacturing. But we want to how can I say, to know the technology. So we have to have the good basic knowledge in the inside.
Who knows? Because the student can be able to have their own productions or their own company or something in the future.
Yes.
But once they know the basic, right?
Yeah, yes. Because for the Thailand 4.0, right? We have to have own technology. So science and technology have the very, we have to strengthen this basic knowledge because we want to have the excellence in scientific in our country. So we have to start from the small things.
Yes, because that is the dream of our vice president here.
Yes.
That to make Thailand as an industrialized country.
Yes.
We can see that KMUTN Rayong Campus is playing a major role in supporting the government's policy of extending higher education in the fields of science, technology, and advanced applied sciences to young people in this region. This Rayong Campus project is not only satisfying the growing needs of the new targeted industries of the EEC project in the region, but also raising the quality of life of the local people.